This is the array. In this array, you have to find out continuous subarray. You have to find out continuous subarray whose sum is maximum. So if you continuous subarray whose sum is maximum, if you observe clearly, 4, 1, 4 minus 1 minus 2, 1, 5. If you take this one, this is the continuous subarray whose sum is maximum 7. If you want, you try any subarray, but you have to take continuously, right? Whose sum is more than this? If you want, you can check. It is not possible. Sir, can I take only this? But you will get minus 5. Sir, can I take only this? You will get 2. So I want you have to take the continuous subarray whose sum is maximum. Now, can you see this problem also? In this array, take continuous subarray whose sum is maximum. 4 minus 1, 2, 1. So 6 is the maximum. So in this one, see, all are positive. You are lucky. All are positive, then all will be the answer. 20. Right? If all negative, whichever is the right bigger value. Means whichever is the means if it are all negative, one element only you take, whichever is the best one. Right? I hope everyone is fine. I am thinking that everyone is comfortable with this. This problem you have to solve. Right? If you need any other thing, please let us know in the comment section. We are ready to help you. My major goal is I want to make as many people, as many students as possible, right? They are capable in the DSA. That is my major motto. I want to make many people good in the DSA. So if you have any doubt in the comment section, you can comment. I am going to help you. Right? So yeah, you can see this. You can see this. This challenge we are given yesterday. Challenge number 26. I am going to give answer now. Can you read the problem once again? One array is given. So one array is given. Then find the sum of the contiguous subarray within array A with the largest sum. So in this array, you have to find out one subarray whose sum is maximum. I think if you observe clearly, 7 is the this one. 4, 1, 4 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1. 4 minus 1 minus 2, 1, 5. So this sum is maximum. Subarray, remember it is a subarray whose sum is maximum. You may say that, sir, why don't you take only 4? If I take only 4, 4 I will get. If I take only 5, I will get 5. Some people may say that, sir, why don't you take 4 and 5 directly? But it is not a subarray. Subarray means you have to take continuously. So you are getting some negative, but if you see both the corners, 4 and 5, if you see they are bigger value, in between some negative values are there, small negative values, you can still take so that you will get the maximum value. So I think for the first example, answer is 7. Can you see the second example? So continue, see this one, subarray you have to take whose sum is maximum. So 4 minus 1, 2, 1. So to this minus 1 left 4, to this minus 1 right 3. Still I will take minus 1 because right side I am getting 3, left side I am getting 4. 4 plus 3, 7, minus 1, 6. You right? You are, listen everyone, I am ready to lose something if I am getting more. I am ready to lose something, right, if I am getting more. Please careful. So 4 minus 1, if you see left side 4, right side is 2, 1, 3. So minus 1, if I go left side 4 I will get. If I go minus 1 right side I will get 3. So I am ready to lose minus 1 because left right combination is totally 7 minus 1, 6. Right? I think this problem, right, this contiguous subarray sum, this problem is something similar to stock market. This problem is similar to stock market, means right, I am ready to keep few more days, even though now negative is coming. Let us that I bought one share, that share is now negative, that share is now decreasing. Still I will ready to decrease if I feel that after some point of time it will give more positive. So I right, let us assume that I bought one share at this price 50 I bought. Now it is keep on decreasing. It's a keep on decreasing. It is a keep on decreasing. It is keep on decreasing. Still I will continue. Still I will continue. If I think that after some point of time, it may go to 100. So even though some negatives are there, if you see the overall, it will be positive. Overall positive. Overall, it is going to be beneficial. So this is the one of the common problem, right? This problem is a common thing in the stock market. So this is the solution for this, right? Right? The some you may say that, sir, what exactly problem is? The problem is there is a one stock which is increasing, decreasing, which is increasing, decreasing. So what day I have to enter, what day I have to exit, so that I will get the maximum profit. That is the stock market problem. There is a one stock, it is keep on oscillating, increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing. Now you have to, by seeing the past of that particular stock, just see the 5 years pattern, how that particular stock pattern is behaving. By seeing that pattern, please suggest me, right, at what day I have to enter in the stock, at what day I have to exit from the stock, so that I will get the maximum profit. So that problem is this one, right? We are going to see the solution for this. We are going to see the solution for this problem, how to find out the answer for this problem, right? Using divide and conquer, you can solve. Using divide and conquer, you try. So, but it will take n log n time. Using DAC, using divide and conquer, you can solve this problem. Time complexity is n log n. Time complexity is n log n. How this is the array? Divide into two parts. Left to find out maximum sum, which is taking Tn by 2 time. Using recursion, right, to find out a maximum sum, which will take one more Tn by 2 time. Right? Next one, you have to combine. So there is a cross sum also required, which will take n time. Cross sum also there, which will take n time. So finally it will become 2Tn by 2. 2Tn by 2. Finally it will take 2Tn by 2 plus n. If you solve this one, you will get n log n time. N log n time. This problem can be solved using divide and conquer. N log n time is the recurrence relation for time complexity. N log n is the time complexity. Right? So if you open any book, you will find out. But this is not the best algorithm. That is the reason I'm not explaining. Let's concentrate on the better algorithm than this, which will take only order of n time. Right? I'm going to explain. Every one lesson, I'm going to explain. Let me take some input. I'm going to explain. Let me take some input here. 3, 4, minus 5, minus 7, 20, 20, 30, 20, 30, minus 8, minus 2, 40, minus 16, 7. Some numbers I have to give, I given. These are the indexes. This is the array, these are the indexes. So if you observe clearly, I think the answer is, if you observe clearly, see, so I think minus 5, minus 7, minus 12. This is minus 12, but left side is only 7. Left side is only 7. It is a minus 12. So I think there is no point of taking both, because anyhow you are losing side. See, these two combinedly, you may say that some people are saying that, sir, I will take these two. I will take this and this, but you have to take continuously. But here, see, this is a minus 12. It is only 7. Anyhow, you are losing side. It is better to not take them because you are losing side. Maybe you can take this. Now, some people are saying, sir, it is a minus 8, minus 2, which is going to be minus 10, but this is 40. So if left side, right side is 40 there, left side is 50 there, but in between you lose 10. There is no problem. There is no problem. Now I think you are already decided you want to take these two. You are already decided you want to take these two people, because even though you are losing minus 10, but you are gaining 40 left, 40 right side, 50 right left side, 50 plus 40, which is going to be 90. If you lose 10, you will get 80. Now, some people are asking, sir, what about this 7, sir? I am losing minus 16, but I am going to get only 7. I don't take it. So I think the answer for this problem is, let me check. The answer for this problem is, right, this is the answer. This is the answer for this problem. So many people got the idea also. This is the answer for this problem. From here you start until here. This is the answer. So now I am going to explain one logic. Same thing whatever I done, systematically I will do. I am going to explain. Please see whether I will get the same answer or not. Please see that. Right? I'm starting. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. So what I'm going to explain. So to solve this problem, very simple. One scan only. To solve this problem, I will take two variables. To solve this problem, I will take two variables. So the two variables I have to take. So I'm trying this one. That is going to be every time sum. Every time sum. Yes. Right. Next one. Best sum is one more variable. Every time sum is one variable. Best sum is one variable. This person will always do summation. Every time sum will do always summation. So initially they both are right. Initially they both are right zeros. Initially they both are zeros. Assume. Initially they both are zeros. Right. Otherwise, if you want, you can write the best sum, maybe negative also, big negative number also. Initially they both are zeros. Assume. Zeros you can take both. There is no problem at all. Right. I'm starting now. Every time sum is 0, best sum is right 0. Initially this is. Now what you do is take the first element. Take the first element. I value 1. Every time sum is equal to every time sum plus this array name is A is U. So A of 0, A of I, isn't that I ranging from 0 to 10. I ranging from 0 to 10. So every time sum is equal to every time sum plus A of 0. So right, I think every time sum becomes 3. First add the first person. I added. After adding, check right every time sum and best sum. Check every time sum and best sum. Right? Suppose it is better. Then only update. Better I am update. Right? Now go to the next element. Next I value 4. Right? I think this will become 3 plus 4, which will become 7. Every person you have to keep in the every time sum. Every time sum always keep on add. So next person 4 came 7. Is it better than the best sum? Yes. Then change it. Simply one for loop. One person adding every time. One person will add only necessary. Let's check. Next person is minus 5. So minus 5 you do. Which will going to be 2. Which is going to be 2. Right? So it is 2. Right? Because of you taken the third person also it is 2. But it is 7. 7 better. Don't update. Best sum contain best people only. If best will come, then only you will take. Otherwise, you don't take. Next to minus 7. Everyone listen. Next to minus 7. So 2 minus 7, which is going to be minus 5. So overall negative. So this person anyhow don't change. But one more rule is there. Listen, one more rule is there. Whenever every time sum becomes less than 0, if every time sum is less than 0, then what you do is, then you have to do one thing like this. Then you have to do one thing like this one. Every time sum, just make it as 0. Means ignore the previous things. That's the meaning of this. If every time sum is less than 0, then make every time sum as 0. So I think now it became 0. Now it became 0. So I means previous people you can ignore. Try to understand. Previous people you can ignore. Right? Are you fine? Now see this one. I think from here onwards the story will start. From here onwards the story will start. So remember, right? Whenever if ES is less than 0, right? ES will become 0. From now onwards again you have to start. From now onwards, you have to start again. Again, you have to start. So I'm starting now. So 20. So add 20. It is 20. Is it better than the previous one? Yes. So change it. Right? Change it. Next one. So 30, which is 50, is better than the previous one. Change it. Next one, minus 8, which is 42, is better than the previous one. No, no change. No change. Next one, minus 2, 40. Is it better than the previous one? No, no change. Next one, 40, which is 80. Is it better than the previous one? Yes, change it. Next one, minus 16. Minus 16, I think 64. 64. Is it better than the previous? No, no use. Plus 7. 71. Is it better than the previous? No. So like that. So I think over just manage two variables. Just manage two variables. Other than this, nothing there. Just manage two variables. Every time sum and best sum. Best sum will update whenever a better person will be there. Whenever a better person there, then better, right? Then best sum will be updated. Otherwise, it don't update. More than this, what is one scan order of n. One scan, one void loop maybe. One while loop may be done. More than that, nothing there. Two variables, ES and BS. ES and BS, two variables are there. Right, fine. I hope everyone got it. I hope everyone got it. So same thing I written in the form of a program also. Same thing I written in the form of a program also. Don't confuse. Don't confuse. I'm starting now. Same thing in the form of a program. The first step. The first step now, I think it is a main program. It is a main program. This is the array. 0th place, first place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place, sixth place, seventh place. 0 to 7. Total 8 people. So array I am passing. Length of the array is 8. 0 to 7, 8 people. So one array, 8 people are there. One array, 8 people. So final sum. Let us do final sum. Very small value you are taking. You want the best one, you are taking the least one. If you want, you can make 0 also, no problem. If you want, you can make 0 also. Next one, current sum also 0, right? Right? Final sum also 0. Both are 0. Both are 0. Don't worry about these people. Don't worry about these people. For some other purpose I kept, right? So current sum and the final sum both are zeros. Now loop is going on. Loop is going on. Range, right? Range of size. Size is 8. Range of 8 means 0 to 7. 0 to 7 times this loop is going on. For loop is going on 0 to 7 times. Every time. This current sum. Final sum is final one. Means final sum means best sum. Current sum means every time sum. Right, now see, current sum is equal to current sum plus A of I. So add it. After adding, please check final sum and current sum. If it is less than, final sum is less than, update it. Update it, right? These people not required. Right, so I think same story item. Next one. If current sum is less than 0, means I think previous one you have to truncate. Previous things you have to truncate. So current sum is equal to again 0, then start the normal story. So this entire thing is going on inside for loop until where here. Continue the story, which will happen n time. Lastly, at the end of this loop, whatever is there in the final sum, print it. Lastly, whatever there in the final sum, that will be returned to here. It will be printed. That's it. Right? These are specific purpose items. You no need to bother this. Fine. I hope everyone is okay. Same story. Whatever I explained, same. So initially best sum and every time sum both are 0. One for loop is starting 0 to 7 times. Every time, right? Every time sum is keep on updating, right? But after updation is over, immediately check, right? Best sum and every time sum. If the best sum is again better, no need to change. Otherwise, best sum will update. Continue. Some point of time, right? Every time sum becomes less than 0 because you are adding everyone. Then make every time sum as 0 and continue the same story. At the end, whatever is there in the final sum, that will be the answer. Here, right? Best sum is final sum. Right? Every time sum is current sum. Right? That's it. Just variable names only differ. I hope you got order of n time. Right? If you think some other better approach, if you think some other advice, if you think some doubts are there, please comment in the comment section. I'm going to help you. Thank you so much. Right? See you in the next challenge.